Hey there, welcome to Design Guy. Ready to make text reveal images? I'll show you how to clip mask in Canva. Click the Create button, then select Custom Size. Set the dimensions to 200 by 200 pixels. Once entered, click the Create button again to generate your new custom size project. On the design page, select an oblong shape from the Shapes menu and place it on your canvas. With the shape selected, press Ctrl+D to quickly duplicate it, creating an identical oblong copy. On your keyboard, use the tool to create a line, then format it as a stripe. After that, proceed to the next step by confirming the adjustment. This ensures your line appears styled as a stripe throughout. Select a photo of a woman from the Elements library. Once you've chosen the image you want, click on it to add it to your design. We'll use this photo in the next step. Expand the image so it covers the entire page. Next, bring the image to the front. If necessary, repeat the process to make sure it is fully in front of other elements. After that, reduce the image's transparency by 40%. This adjustment will make the background image less prominent while allowing content layered on top to stand out more clearly. Click the item you want to duplicate, then press Ctrl and D to create a copy. Now, look at the Layers panel. Select the first layer or first page in the list. Any edits you make will affect only this layer, keeping the duplicate available for other versions or changes. We'll keep this image for now. Next, replace the second image so only this one appears in the layout, ensuring there's just a single visible image displayed. You will have two photos to download. After selecting them, click the Share button, then choose Download to save both images to your device. Select PNG as the file type. Ensure that both pages are selected by checking the boxes next to each page. Once you've confirmed the selection, click the Download button to begin saving both pages in PNG format to your device. After you download the image, go to the Upload section in your software. Click Upload and select the image you just downloaded to add it to your project. Next, find the previous image in your design and delete it to make room for the new one. Drag the uploaded image onto your canvas and resize it as needed to fit your layout. Once you've positioned the image, go to the Apps section and search for the Blend tool to proceed with the next step. First, reset the selection to set the default state. Next, choose the image you want to use as the top layer by clicking on it. With your preferred image selected, go to the Options menu and pick your chosen image. This process sets your selected image as the top layer, ensuring it appears above any other layers in your project workspace. Click Choose File next to the Image field. A dialog box will appear. Navigate to the folder where you saved the second image you downloaded. Select that image by clicking on it, then click Open. The selected image will now be uploaded and ready for use. Enter the name of the image you downloaded. As you type, the preview updates automatically, allowing you to see exactly how your design will appear once uploaded. Click Add Another Page and select your desired design. Once the design is added, expand it to fit the entire page. This ensures your new design is displayed clearly and occupies the full area, creating a cohesive look. Delete the current pages by selecting them, then click the Share button at the top right. Choose Download from the drop-down menu. You can download your design as a PNG file or select PDF for printing. You just learned how to clip text masking in Canva. If you found this useful, hit like and subscribe for more creative tips.